Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday, and more importantly, it's National Coffee Day. Have you had your coffee yet this morning? I have, of course. Last night was Sunday dinner with Robin, where I prepared a bacon feta and veggie frittata, and on the side was potatoes O'Brien. Excellent meal. I believe I satisfied Robin's breakfast for dinner. It was good. I had fun with it. Plenty of veggies, plenty of bacon. Yeah. All right. The weather is cooling off. So tonight's meal, I think it's going to be appropriate. This is not winter weather yet, but it's definitely cooler than it was a week or two ago. Tonight, I'm going to be preparing hearty chicken and vegetable stew. I've had my eye on this recipe for a few weeks, and I got lucky with the weather. So let's get to it. And I'm going to be starting off with a couple of chicken thighs, which I will boil up a little bit later on this morning. And I'll use the broth from that in this stew. We've got a mirepoix going on. Onions, carrots, celery. The Holy Trinity. All right, and we've got garlic, a little bit of tomato paste, bay leaf, some flour for thickening, and we'll come back here to kosher salt, black pepper, a little bit of oil for the beginning, reserve backup chicken stock, corn, peas, and red potatoes. I got lucky, well, not lucky, but basically I'm going to be using up these little baby reds that I purchased a few weeks ago. They're still good. So I'll be using a majority of these potatoes. And the herbs are going to be thyme, rosemary, and I'm going to add just a little bit of sage. Is that a sage idea? Sorry. I know it's early. And probably some of you haven't had your coffee yet. Or tea. Yeah, whatever morning drink you have. So, I am actually going to be doing this as a demo. So the demo will come out, the cooking demo will come out about the same time as my normal videos do. I hope you watch it. Yeah. So on this Monday, National Coffee Day, have a great day, eat great food, and make sure you drink your coffee.